Imagine an economy that has grown at an unprecedented rate for over 4 decades. Would you believe it if we told you that such an economy exists? It's an economic powerhouse, a titanic juggernaut that has surged forward, unabated, transforming itself from a largely agrarian society into a global manufacturing and technological behemoth. This is a story of rapid growth and development, a narrative of a nation that has risen like a phoenix from the ashes, rewriting the rules of the economic game as it strides along. It's an economy that has not only grown in size but has also outpaced many other global economies, and now stands as a colossal testament to the power of reform, resilience, and relentless ambition. So are you ready for the big reveal? This economic titan, this powerhouse is none other than China. Yes, it's China we're talking about, but how did it get this far? To understand the magnitude of China's economy, we need to take a trip back in time. It was in the late 70s that the Middle Kingdom began to unclasp its doors to the global market. The country was largely agrarian, with most of its economy rooted in farming. However, China's leadership realized the need for change, for evolution. They set forth economic reforms that would forever change the face of their nation. The 80s saw the introduction of special economic zones. These were designated areas where foreign investment was welcomed, and market-oriented policies were promoted. The result? A surge in exports, and a flood of foreign capital. The seeds of economic prosperity were beginning to sprout. As we journey into the 90s, China was rapidly becoming the world's factory. Manufacturing was the heart of the economy, pumping life into every vein of the nation. From toys to tech, China was producing it all, and the world was buying. But it wasn't just about making and selling goods. The 90s also marked a period of intense infrastructure development. Highways were unfurled across the nation, railways linked cities, and skyscrapers rose from the ground like giant steel bamboo chutes. This infrastructural boom not only facilitated the movement of goods and people, but also served as a potent symbol of China's economic ascension. Fast forward to the present day, and China stands as the second largest economy in the world. The focus on exports, the welcoming of foreign investment, the development of infrastructure, all these strategies have played a part in this remarkable growth story. However, it's important to note that this growth has not been without its challenges. Issues such as environmental degradation, income inequality, and an aging population pose significant hurdles. But, just as it has overcome past obstacles, China continues to adapt and evolve. And so, from a largely agrarian society, China transformed into a global economic powerhouse. The journey isn't over yet. The dragon continues to soar, its wings unfurled, ready to face the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. So, how big is China's economy really? Let's dive into the numbers. China's gross domestic product, or GDP, is an astounding figure. It's the second largest in the world, coming in at over 14 trillion US dollars. That's more than the economies of many countries combined. But that's not all. China is also home to the second highest number of billionaires in the world, trailing only behind the United States. It's a testament to the immense wealth generated within its borders. When we turn our gaze towards global trade, China holds a significant share. As the world's largest exporter, it's a major player in international commerce. The country's influence on global markets is undeniable, affecting everything from commodities to currencies. In sheer numbers, China's economy is a behemoth, dwarfing many others. Its economic clout is not just a matter of size, but also of global impact and influence. But what does the future hold for China's economy? As we look ahead, the trajectory of China's economy is a topic that stirs both fascination and speculation. Predictions and forecasts suggest a continued yet more moderate growth rate over the next decade. China's economic future is not without its challenges. It faces the inevitable task of transitioning from a manufacturing-led growth model to one driven by services and consumption. This shift will require strategic planning, innovation, and adaptability. Yet the opportunities are immense. With its vast population and burgeoning middle class, China has the potential to create a consumer market that could surpass all others. Furthermore, its ongoing investments in technology and infrastructure signal a commitment to long-term growth. Only time will tell whether China can maintain its economic momentum. But one thing is certain, its impact on the global stage is undeniable.